In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create and customize a carousel in Wix, step by step. To begin, select the Design Site option to start editing your site, laying the groundwork for adding interactive features such as a carousel. Next, enter new text for your carousel in the text field, and then click the download icon if you wish to save this content for later use. Open the settings by clicking the gear icon to adjust your site preferences, and then expand elements as needed for a better view of your workspace. Go to the Elements menu and click the button to start building your carousel. To add more components, select the Elements option again and click the button once more. Switch to your site by selecting it from the navigation. Choose the Signal option if you'd like to highlight a specific feature, and finally, return to your Main Site tab to continue editing. Personalize your carousel by choosing an emoji icon, then click Edit Image to further customize your carousel's visuals. To add interactivity, click the link button and switch to Grid View for easier organization of items in your carousel. Open the Animation toolbar to enhance your carousel, then select the Blur effect for extra visual appeal. Finally, preview your site to review your carousel, and click Publish to make your new carousel live. You've completed the steps to create a carousel in Wix. Happy designing!